What's up everybody? Welcome back. Today's the day. I'm going to be getting ready to put the car into the paint booth and get this thing painted. Just going to go over a couple things with you guys first. I got everything laid out, all the sealer, the base, the clear coat, and then we'll fire this thing up, get in the shop, clean it off one more time, use a tack rag on it, and then start spraying this thing. All right, so I wanted to show you what I was going to do for those extra parts that need to be painted that are off of the car. I do have a stand and like a little table set up. I'm going to put it in the booth, obviously, once the car's in there, but I just kind of have everything laid out. I just want to show you what I did. Okay, so gas lid, front license plate holder, headlight trims, and then side mirrors here. So I just have screws. I taped up the harnesses so they wouldn't fall, and I taped this up, screws on either side. So we'll have to kind of turn them around and spray them and then just hang them from there. It's kind of the best I can do what I have at the moment. So we'll do the job. And then I have these here, and I also have behind it these small pieces of cardboard tube to hold up the back of it. So it's not actually sitting on the wood there like that. So it's actually off the table there. And then underneath this, same concept, I have a block of wood and another piece of wood there, and then there is my other mirror. So that is just one of those type of metal framed stands like that, and just some plywood on top. I did actually soap and water, scrub and wash all the stand, the wood, even the blocks down, so there's no dust or anything like that on it, and I will blow them off with air gun once they go inside. All right, so here I have everything laid out: sealer, base coat, the clear coat, the reducers, hardeners, all that stuff, measuring cups, paint stirrers, paint thinner, and then the strainers here and the instructions for each one. This is instructions for the sealer, instructions for the base coat, and then for the clear coat there. So first things first, I have the sealer laid out, so we'll start mixing that up first. And then here is my paint gun ready to go with a pressure regulator on there and an extra water separator here. So that is ready to go, so we can mix it up, pour it in there, and then coveralls, tack rags, and a respirator. Another thing I got too was I got a pack of these. They're actually like booties, the covers that go over your shoes. So once you go into the paint booth, you won't be tracking any dirt or any dust or anything like that in there. So I'm gonna try to keep that environment as clean as possible. Right now we're laying down the sealer. Now we're shooting the base coat. We're gonna do 3 coats of this. Just do a quick walk around. Got one more base coat to go on, and then we're gonna clear it, but it actually looks really, really good. So everything kind of turned out nice so far. All right, so just as things are going well, we're having an issue with the last coat of clear coat. Unfortunately, it's something kind of beyond our control at this point. So I'm gonna have to get a plan together and figure out what my next step is. So I'm just gonna stop the video now, and then I'm gonna pick up next week with a plan of attack just to correct what happened, and I'll go over it in details with you. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.